Samantha Armitage.
Good evening. It was a world first and one of the sneakiest ways of revenue raising we've seen in ages. A parking camera that takes your registration number if you stop for more than 90 seconds. But when the trial ended, the council operating it kept collecting millions of dollars in fines. Now ratepayers have revolted. Georgia Main was there as they stormed the council's offices saying, "Think again." Georgia Main reporting there. Now, with schools closing for summer, hundreds of thousands of school leavers are getting their Year 12 results this week. Now, many are looking at what's traditionally seen as the yellow brick road to fortune and success, a university degree. But is it? There's evidence that going straight into a job might be better, and there's 500,000 jobs ready for the taking. David Richardson was our reporter there. Now, soon on Today Tonight. Now, if you're a cabbie, it might not be news to you that your customers are not impressed. Being aggressive and driving a dirty car are among the things they hate most. And that's just the start of it, according to a new study into the state of the nation's cabs. None of which would surprise John Bust, a black and white cabbie sacked for trying to bring back what he calls good old-fashioned Australian service. Here's Rodney Lose on where cabbies go next. Complaint about a cabbie, you can talk to the Department of Transport in your state. The contact details are on our website. Now, last night we brought you the story of the magic bracelet, which is said to create power and balance in anyone who wears it. Now, after it, the distributor's website crashed from the demand, and we had a lot of feedback from you, many, like us, sceptical to say the least. Here's a reminder. Now, just to let you know, we're working on a follow-up story and we will put it to the test. And one expert claims it's an old trick that any circus tent magician would know. We will let you know. To our next story now. One is an advertising extraordinaire, the other the king of retail. John Singleton and Gerry Harvey, self-made millionaires, household names and self-confessed horse racing nuts, who've now added modelling to their resume, fronting the latest campaign for the Magic Millions Racing Carnival and telling Sally Obermeter why they're model men. They are great characters, and the Magic Millions Carnival runs from New Year's Day to January 16 on the Gold Coast. We'll have more in a moment. Welcome back. There are thousands of adopted Australians who'll never find their biological families. But after 65 years of waiting, Deirdre Oswald has finally met hers. Separated at birth in Britain, she and her 3 sisters found each other on the other side of the world. Claire Brady was there when they met. It's a seriously shabby way to treat older people. Evict them and keep thousands in bond money just before Christmas. Tomorrow night, we investigate. That story for you tomorrow. Thanks for your company. I'm Samantha Armitage. Enjoy your night. See you tomorrow.